Welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna start machine learning, a topic whose application is used in our day to day life. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna teach you about what is machine learning. Basically, it will be a introduction video where I will define machine learning using two different definitions, one earlier one and one new one, and other basic terms related to machine learning, some basic terms you know so stay tuned till and to get full introduction about machine learning. Machine learning is a very important topic in our day to day life because its application is in our surroundings, and we can see everything related to machine learning, like some cleaners in our houses which scans what is dust in a house and what is not. So it's a machine learning project. And some more are examples are Alexa, Google, Google device, or Echo. These are some examples of machine learning projects. And moreover, we can say that automatic vehicles. These are also a very good example of machine learning. So let's start with the introduction. So there are two definitions of machine learning that are offered. So first one is offered by Arthur Samuel. He described machine learning as the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. This is an older or informal definition. So let's define what is that means. So it is a field of study that gives computers, our laptops or our Macs and such devices. They give them ability to learn like humans, not exactly like humans, but a human baby. As we teach a human baby how to walk, how to stand, it's basically a gift and punishment method. I will describe it later, but just for basic convenience, let's take it as a gift and rude method. So I will define it later. So in this, we doesn't program very much, although we program, but we give it almost huge number of data, and that's why we have written here without being explicitly programmed. That means very highly programmed. We just give it's a way to learn through the examples. And the second definition is by Tom Michel, provides some of modern definition. It's a modern definition, a day-to-day definition. A computer program is said to learn from experience, like humans through by we like humans like we learn from our experience with respect to some class of task T. That means that how we learn through tasks, like we want to learn, take example like bicycling. First of all, we use side tires on our bicycles for just convenience, and when we get a little bit confidence, then we remove those tires and just learn that task. So we learn through experience with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. That means that how do we perform in that task. If the performance at the task is T as measured by P improves with experience E. That means that we learn through a task as a measurement, as a performance P, and we get improve in that through our experience. So example, playing checkers. We doesn't know how to play checkers first of all, then we get some experience by learning the guide and playing some games, two or three games. But in the case of a computer, it need to play thousands or maybe 10,000s or maybe million games so that it knows how to play, how to get next move. So that's the example of playing checkers. E is here the experience of playing many games of checkers, that's for a computer. And the task of playing checkers is T, and the P is the probability that the program will win the next game. So that's P, where we says last time, performance measure. That means the probability of winning or probability of performing better than previous one. So in general, any machine learning problem can be assigned to one of two broad classifications: supervised learning and unsupervised learning, that we will learn in the next video. So that's for this video. So I hope you all have understood that what is machine learning, two definitions of machine learning, and what is E, T, and P. I suggest you all that you please take down these notes, or I will provide a code in the description for the code of this video as a PDF form. Or what I will do, I will just make these lecture wise, that I have completed these many tasks in hourly lecture in the one PDF form, so that it will be convenience for you all to get easily, not to just download many PDFs and get hang with that only. So that's all for this video. Before going, I want you to all please subscribe to my channel Rindhana Ale Code, and please give this video a thumbs up, and just you can press here to subscribe you want if you want. And if you want to learn Python, then stay tuned in this videos. But actually this is in Hindi, a different language, but not a big issue. So let's stay tuned with the machine learning, because we do not require Python. I will use Octave or Matlab in this machine learning. So thank you, and that's all for this video.